Here's how you can make this smooth text effect in just 5 steps. First, I have this text laid down. Then you go to effects panel, then video transition, and take the smooth cut and drop it on the first clip. Then select the transition, and in the inspector panel, make that 5 frames and the ease to in and out. Now hold the Alt key and then click and drag the transition to other clips. Now for the second step, select all the clip and then make it a compound clip. Now select that clip and then go to Fusion page. After the media one, add a directional blur. Now if you search directional blur, you will find 2 variants. Make sure to select this one. Select this one. Make the blur angle all the way to 180 degree and make the blur type stylized. Now you have to animate the blur strength. First, take it all the way to 0 and play until it starts to change to the next word. So here, we're gonna add a keyframe and keep it 0. Then go forward until you see the both words and then increase the blur strength something to 0.6 and then again go forward until the next word is revealed and then take the blur strength all the way to 0. Now in the spline panel, select all these keyframes and press S. It will smooth the animation. Now we need to do the same thing to other words. So select this keyframe and press Ctrl C and then move your playhead to the next word. So here it starts to fade into the next word. Keep your playhead there and then click on this spline panel. Now press Ctrl V and it will place the same animation. Now do the same thing with other words. Once you're done, next we're going to add some waves. Type wave. Now change the wave type to horizontal and decrease the scale. If you want to increase the speed, you can increase it from here. Then we are going to add a camera shake. When you will type camera shake, you will again see 2 options. Select the second one and here just change the PTR speed to something like 0.3 or 0.2 and this will give you a subtle movement. And then finally, we're gonna add a glow. And again, you can customize it to your liking. And once you're done, here's your final text.